Hey, what I have today is an Ultra 55015 UHP model. It's just like the Master 40 Discus Lock grab here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my tension wrench, apply no pressure at all, stick my camel all the way back, and then apply a small amount of pressure and rake the back pin. And then I got it. It's only a 4-pin, and I will do this again. Sorry about my throat. I don't feel very well. Again. Alright. One more time. And again. This is the motherfucking lock. Come on. Alright. That's it, alright, Ultra.